How can you use a scale to show that different ways to make the same number are equal? Let's find out. Look at the scale. It is out of balance. How many cubes are on the left side of the scale? There is a group of 4 cubes. There is a group of 7 cubes. So, there are 11 cubes in all. How many cubes are on the right side of the scale? There is a group of 6 cubes on the right side of the scale. The number of cubes on each side of the scale is not equal. How can you balance the scale?
Make the number of cubes the same on both sides.
You need to add more cubes to balance the scale. Where will you add more cubes? You add more cubes on the right side because the number of cubes on each side of the scale should be equal in order to balance the scale. What can you do to make both sides equal? You need to find the missing number of cubes to balance the scale.
How many cubes are missing?
You need to find how many more cubes to add to balance the scale. What number sentence can you write to show how many cubes are on the left side of the scale? 4 plus 7 equals 11. So there are 11 cubes on the left side. You already know there are 6 cubes on the right side. To find how many more cubes to add to balance the scale, find the number you can add to 6 to make 11. How many more cubes do you think we should add to the right side to make 11? How can you check your answer? Drag cubes into the mat to make the sides equal. If you add 5 more cubes to the 6 cubes on the right side, there will be 11 cubes. How can you tell this will balance the scale? You can write another number sentence to show how many cubes are on the right side. What number sentence will you write? 6 plus 5 equals 11. So there are 11 cubes on each side of the scale. 4 plus 7 equals 11, and 6 plus 5 equals 11. So, adding 5 more cubes to the right side will balance the scale. Why do the number sentences show that the scale is balanced?
4 plus 7 equals 11, and 6 plus 5 equals 11. So 4 plus 7 equals 6 plus 5. Both sides are the same.
Now you know how to use a scale to show that different ways to make the same number are equal.